Hi, I'm Chef Dana Cohen with Unilever Food Solutions. Today we're going to be making loaded chipotle chicken nachos. And this is a very simple recipe. Nachos, as you know, are popular on all types of menus, but today we're going to keep it classic, and that's why I'm using Knorr caldo de pollo. The caldo is going to give it that authentic flavor, and it's going to cook gently together with the broth. So let's get started. I'm going to simply make my broth. And as you can see, it dissolves in the water really easily. And this is going to be the base of our chicken for the nachos. I'll show you the rest of the ingredients and we'll get it going. We're going to start with our caldo. Next, we will add our chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs because they have that nice fat. They're gonna add a lot of flavor. And the best part is they're gonna shred apart and be super, super tender, perfect for nachos. Our caldo is gonna really enhance the chicken flavor. And of course, you could do this with beef as well and use our caldo de res. All right, now I'm going to add some sliced onions. I've got about 1 onion here. I've got 3 crushed garlic cloves, as well as some oregano. Just adding a little extra flavor there and some seasoning. I don't even need to add salt because the caldo is gonna give me all of that flavor that I need. And the last thing I'm gonna add is my chipotle. So I'm using chipotles in adobo. I've got about 3 chipotle peppers here that are diced up. And I'm also using some of that liquid from the can. That's gonna give us a nice color and some added flavor as well. Now look how simple that is. That's it. We're gonna throw the lid on here, bring this to a simmer, and cook the chicken for about 45 minutes until it is fork tender and shreds apart really easily.